Jeff, how important is finance when you're buying a machine tool?
Well, it's a well-known factor. It's a key factor. It's very, very important.
And tell us about your role and the company that you represent.
Okay, well, GM Finance has been set up to offer a competitive, quick and bespoke finance service, tailoring packages for each individual customer. It's very important that we understand the customer's needs and then offer a tailor-made finance package to suit.
And we're obviously standing, or you're standing in front of a Victor 5-axis machine here. Is this covering all the machines that across the companies that you offer?
Absolutely. We have a wide range of funders. We aim to offer a bespoke finance package that suits every individual customer. So we've got, for example, zero deposit schemes. We'll offer a 6-month payment holiday to help customers with their cash flow. We can defer the VAT to fit in with their back quarter. We can even consolidate their current finance agreements, which will have the effect of reducing their overall monthly commitments.
Okay, so at the moment, with what's gone on in around the world in the last year or so, some people might be nervous about buying new inventory and machines like we've got behind us, but that shouldn't stop them, should it? Because things like what you're talking about here make it very simple and make it very affordable.
Absolutely, but we mustn't forget that in the UK, manufacturing is an absolute key industry. Over the last 12 months, despite the pandemic, engineering has done very, very well. Manufacturing has succeeded where other industries have struggled. And on the back of that success, it's very important to invest and invest sensibly. But of course, cash flow is important. Some customers struggle for cash flow because their customers can't pay them on time. And so therefore, it's very important that you buy a machine tool and you set up the finance in the correct manner with the payments that are affordable. And that's why the schemes we offer are really important. For example, the no deposit or the front-end payment holiday to ease the machine in and make sure that it earns the money before you're having to make the payments.
And with some of the government schemes that are running at the moment, can you help people with those as well, like the CBILS scheme?
Absolutely. I mean, the CBILS scheme is set to go till March, but every time we get to a deadline, it increases. And I'm not saying it's not going to increase, but there's a good chance it will. We've probably helped, I would say, over 100 businesses, and I think at the moment we're about £14 million worth of CBILS loans. There's a lot of government help, and to be fair, the scheme is set up. It's very, very good for businesses, and it's helped engineering a lot.
You're a finance man and very good at it, I'm sure. Maybe not so technical on the machine tools, but you must get feedback from people that you're sorting finance out for about these machines as well. And if so, what is it?
Absolutely. I think these days, even more so, because we've gone very internet driven. The key factor is the people that you're dealing with. You know, the company that's selling the machine, the company that's going to give you the backup when you've bought the machine. And GM Machinery and GM CNC are a great example of a family-run firm that have been together a long time and built up their strategies based on long-standing commitments to the engineering sector. And customers must take comfort from that. There's an awful lot of people who, once you've bought a machine tool off them, go missing, and that's not the case here. This is an excellent business and a good partner to be with if you're investing in machinery. And from a finance point of view, that's really important too, because the finance companies want to deal with suppliers who are going to deliver a product that won't cause a problem to the customer. So it works hand in hand.